Let's look at simplifying this expression 4x plus 1 minus x. Using the blue pawn, we can set this up to be as 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Let's add a 1 to it. So far we have put 4x plus 1, and the last step is we need to subtract an x. Let's go ahead and subtract an x off the mat. As you can see, the 4x and the negative x have combined to give us 3x plus 1. So 4x plus 1 minus x simplifies to be 3x plus 1. Let's try another example. In this case, we need to simplify x plus 6 plus 2x. Let's set this up to be as x plus 6 plus 2x. As you can see, we can combine the variables together because the x and the positive 2x combines to give 3x. 1x, 2x, 3x plus 6. So the expression x plus 6 plus 2x simplifies to 3x plus 6. In this expression, as you see, we have a negative variable and a positive variable. Let's see how this simplifies. We start off with a negative x. Using the white pawn, this is a negative x. Now we need to place a positive 2x. So a negative x plus 2x, as you can see, is on the mat. A white pawn and a blue pawn is nothing but a 0 pair. A negative x plus a positive x turns to a 0. So this becomes a 0 pair, so we can remove them off the mat. So negative x plus 2x is nothing but an x.